Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using MindLead G and Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that use MindLead G Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're using one account to just try to show you that you can use the minimal effort and make some pretty interesting results. Alright, so guys, if you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, we're going to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business. Personally, I really like the product. It's a very good product. It's essentially a funnel builder, teach you how to do all the things. But if you used a funnel builder before, you know how to use this funnel builder. It's pretty much the same thing. Anyway, guys, what's really cool about this funnel builder for $25, if you know, you have to pay like a exorbitant amount of money to have no limitations on anything. But for this one, it's $25, and you can make as many funnels as you want, many pages as you want, connect as many domains as you want, easily make subdomains, stuff like that. Real simple, you know, real stuff people don't really think about. And it's real simple to do those things. You know, you don't really have to look around to find out how to do it and stuff like that. Very simple. And you can do all of that as well. You know what I mean? So the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, and you have to pay $150 just to get in the door, guys. $150 per month just to get in the door. Have a bunch of limitations on it. Only 20 funnels, so on and so forth. One domain. Excuse me. And if you want to get rid of those limitations, you have to pay a full $300 per month, guys. That's a full year in this system for essentially the same thing. I think we have a clear winner here. You know what I mean, guys? So anyway, guys, that's the first reason why I like promoting it. It's just a really good product at a very good price. All right, guys. Now the second reason why I like promoting this product, and I think the reason you guys are interested in it and why I was initially interested in promoting this product, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. And that is insanity. Like, I've never seen anything even close to that. I seen half, matter of fact, I seen stuff at 40% recurring commission, and I thought that's really good. All right, guys, I thought that was really, really good. So 80% is absolutely insanity. All right, so that's all I want to say about that, and the craziness of how insane that is. All right, guys, so yeah, we could just go and get started and go ahead and do what we're gonna do. So let's look at the results here we got here. Gonna hit refresh here. Now people show you results, make sure they hit refresh first before they show you results, so you can believe those results. You know they real results. Alright, guys, it looks like, I'm pretty sure it's a rebuild, so we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, guys. It's not a big deal. It happens, and you know, you get sales, you don't get sales. You just have to roll with the punches. One thing you have to learn is that every day is not going to be a winner. You know what I mean? That's when it comes to this affiliate marketing thing. Every day is not going to be a winner, but you got to really you know, strive for it. Because look, I made 3.3. This is how much money I made since I started this program. I started this program around, I think it was August, September, somewhere around there. And we're doing really well. And this is with minimal effort, guys. This is just the MLGS thing. And I guess YouTube as well. But you see what I'm saying? So it's very minimal effort. It's very easy to do this. So let's show you what I'm doing every day to make this type of money. So we just come here, we go into my lead gen, we go to the mailing system, we click on all our leads here, guys, and we just load up another email. Boom, we load it up, we load that up, we hit this, we are done. That's it, guys. We're done. This is the link I use, guys, right there. The all-in-one $25 business. It promotes the 20% commissions and $100 commissions. All right, guys, so remember to use the all-in-one $25 business. That's the one I use. Now if you're interested, you could use other products as well, other things if you want to. Not a big deal. but I'm just showing you what I'm doing. All right, so guys, we're gonna hit send email here. Make sure to preview. Now make sure you preview, make sure your link works, guys, because I'm uploading the old email. I know it works. I already checked it. All right, so make sure you're perfect time send an email around time people check emails, and then send, and you're done. That's all it takes, guys. Very simple, very easy way to make some money, some extra cash come in, and the goal is to slowly build it up to where it takes over the point of you needing a job, so to speak. Like, so for example, for me, like, let's say I'm in a very affordable area, so to speak. Like, the best apartments are around like 3-bedroom, best apartment 3-bedroom, probably gonna run me about $1,300 a month in the city. And that sounds like a lot, but it's very cheap, you know, compared to other cities, so to speak. And like a regular apartment in like a rural area, it's gonna run me about $300 to $400 a month. You know, a 2-bedroom apartment about 4 something. So what I be making on this pays my rent. You know what I mean? Pays my rent completely. You know, if I'm staying in like one of those apartments. So yeah, it's a lot of money that can really build up to your income, on which you don't really need to work for. Now this is just one of my streams of income. I have multiple streams of income, but like, say for example, if I only had this, you know. But anyway, guys, that's all there is to that, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and
bye. Have a beautiful time.